Welcome to Factic. Today we are diving into the latest leaks about DJI's upcoming drone, the DJI Flip 2. This new drone is built for people who need something compact and easy to carry while still offering powerful features. With its improved flight performance, a stronger camera, and smarter flight modes, it is set to be a great option for both casual users and professionals. It keeps the foldable design of its predecessor, but with better durability and easier portability. So whether you are an experienced pilot or just getting into drones, the Flip 2 seems like a solid choice. One of the biggest upgrades is its advanced AI features that make flying and capturing footage easier than ever. The camera system has also been improved, so you can expect high-quality video and images in any lighting conditions. With smart tracking and various automatic flight patterns, it is designed to help you get creative with your shots. No matter where you are flying, the Flip 2 is shaping up to be a well-rounded drone that balances power and convenience. The DJI Flip 2 comes with a unique folding system that makes it extra compact and easy to transport. When fully opened, it measures about 300 by 300 by 80 millimeters and weighs under 250 grams. This lightweight design makes it accessible for all drone pilots, since it meets many regulations for lightweight drones. The propellers are fully enclosed, which helps protect both the drone and the user. So whether you are flying indoors or outdoors, you will have an added layer of safety. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. This means you get sharp, high-quality footage with great detail and color accuracy. The camera also supports DANG and RAW photo formats, so you have more flexibility when editing your shots. With an 82.1-degree field of view and 4x digital zoom, it allows for a range of different shooting styles from wide scenic shots to closer detailed captures. The drone is powered by a 3,110 mAh battery, which provides about 30 minutes of flight time per charge. This gives you plenty of time to capture great footage without constantly worrying about running out of power. A new charging hub has been introduced, allowing you to charge multiple batteries at once, so you can minimize downtime between flights. The Flip 2 comes with improved AI capabilities, making it easier to fly and capture professional-looking shots. It includes active track, which allows the drone to automatically follow a subject while keeping them centered in the frame. This makes it great for capturing people or moving objects without needing manual control. There are also various quick-shot modes, such as Droney, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Boomerang, and Spotlight. These flight patterns help you create cinematic shots with just a tap. Safety is a major focus with the Flip 2. The fully enclosed propellers make it safer to use in different environments, and its aerodynamic shape reduces air resistance for smoother, more stable flights. It also features built-in LED lights, which improve visibility in low-light conditions, making it easier to fly at night. The Flip 2 is expected to come in different configurations. There will be a base package with the drone and essential accessories, a bundle that includes a remote controller, and a full Fly More kit that comes with multiple batteries, a charging hub, a carrying bag, and filters for more creative control over lighting conditions. Another exciting aspect of the Flip 2 is its enhanced connectivity. It supports a strong and stable wireless connection to ensure smooth video transmission during flight. This is important for those who need a clear real-time view when flying. Especially for professional videographers and photographers, the controller design is also expected to be more ergonomic, providing a better grip and easier control during long flights, while these leaks provide a lot of details. It is always best to wait for DJI's official announcement for the final specs and availability. If these features turn out to be true, the Flip 2 could be one of the most versatile compact drones on the market. The DJI Flip 2 looks like an exciting addition to DJI's lineup. It offers a great balance of portability and performance, making it a strong choice for both beginners and professionals. Its compact design and improved AI features make flying easier, while the upgraded camera system ensures high-quality footage, whether you are into travel photography, action shots, or just casual flying. The Flip 2 seems like a great all-around drone. Thank you for watching Factic. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on the DJI Flip 2. Does it seem like the perfect drone for you, or are you waiting to see more details? Also, don't forget to subscribe to Factic for more tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned for our next video.